Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs. First one is HubSpot and the second one is Salesforce. First thing, we'll go through some pros and cons. I will tell you something more about these two programs, and in the end we can go through some pricing plans, and then also we'll find out which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start with HubSpot. HubSpot, a forever free customer relationship manager software that provides a solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the task for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The integrations are tracked down automatically, and a separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts. Users and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. As I said, HubSpot is very nice, and it's based all around the integrations. So it's completely up to you. You can use Zapier and go through all the hubs like marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations to achieve the maximum performance of HubSpot. When you go to pricing, we can see that they are starting at 41 euros a month if that's billed yearly. Also, marketing contacts, you can go up to, sky's the limit. It's up to you, but it starts at 1000. There is also a free tool, which means it's a demo. And then it's marketing tool, sales, customer, CMS. This is what I like about it. You just pick the budget, or you pick the bundle that you need. So let's now talk about Salesforce a little bit more. Salesforce is a futuristic customer relationship management software, bringing companies and their customers together. The integrated software helps departments like commerce, marketing, sales, and service to get a unified view of each client. Moreover, companies can also leverage on the particular to deliver amazing shopping experiences to individual buyers, automate time-consuming jobs, assure quick resolutions to queries raised from the customer's front, and strategize personalized marketing schemes. Those solutions serve organizations scattered across industries like retail, automotive, higher education, public sector, media, communication, hospitality, and transportation, non-profit, and more. With Salesforce, organizations get the advantage of joining the 150,000 and more like-minded companies, where they can find a massive community of experts ready to help in their company growth, besides offering an estimate of the return on investment, ROIE. Lastly, AI technology-equipped chatbot Einstein with the software helps companies reassess past interactions with individual clients and better understand the raised queries. So as you can see, they are not that different. I would say they're kind of similar, but at pricing plans, it's not that much of a bundles. When you take a look on the Salesforce, there is a huge amount of options, like 4 options, all paid. You can obviously start a free trial, but you will really need the help of someone from Salesforce to help you set up basically everything around the Salesforce to work just for yourself. The Question is if the HubSpot, as a smaller player in this game, can replace Salesforce. In many opinions, it absolutely can. So if you want the best CRM for your business, and the choice is between HubSpot and Salesforce, and if you care about rep adoption, support, collaboration, and cost, the HubSpot is probably the stuff for you. But in this case, it comes to show that the HubSpot is very good around integrating. So actually what you can do, you can integrate HubSpot with Salesforce and just pinpoint the top features of Salesforce in the integration and maintaining the lower price, which is actually very nice even for smaller businesses. Because in my opinion, Salesforce is aimed towards the bigger players. So they then don't care that much about cost of one contact. So in my opinion, it's really hard to compare them because it's like a battle between David and Goliath. But HubSpot is very, very promising. So I would actually try both demos and then decide. But in my opinion, HubSpot will be the way to go. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.